If you are struggling with acne, pimples or dark spots, this simple natural mask is just for you. Today I am going to show you how to make it at home using only fresh neem leaves, fresh aloe vera and glycerin and a little bit of besan. All four ingredients are completely natural and super effective for your clear skin. First, take a handful of fresh neem leaves. Neem is well known for antibacterial properties. It helps to fight with pimples and keep acne away. Next, cut up pieces of fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera is very soothing and reduce redness and heal dark spots. Now grind both neem and aloe vera together into a smooth paste. Once your paste is ready, add a few drops of glycerin. Glycerin will keep your skin hydrated and soft. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of besan. Besan gently exfoliates, removes excess oil and brighten your skin. Mix everything well and your natural face mask is ready. Apply this mask evenly on your face, avoid area and around your eyes and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can use this remedy 2-3 times a week and you will notice your pimples reducing, dark spots fading and your skin becoming clear and glow naturally. So if you want to healthy spot free skin, definitely try this simple herbal mask at home. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.